In this video, I'm going to show you how to add prefix to data in Google Sheets. So as you can see for the sample spreadsheet, the data is list of name and the scenario is we need to add the prefix engineer to each name without having to do it manually one by one. So to do that, we'll be using an array formula. The first thing that you would like to do is to simply locate the cell where you would like to input the formula. So let's say for this video of using this cell and input the following formula, equal sign, type array formula, open parenthesis, then in here, open a quotation mark, then input your prefix that you're going to use. We're going to use engineer in here, close the quotation mark, then type the end symbol. After this, input the range of the cells that you would like to add prefix to. We have here A2 up to A9. Simply type A2, colon, A9, then close the parenthesis. After that, simply click enter. And as you can see, I did not type manually, yet the prefix engineer has now been added to each name in the list. And that's about it. That's how to add prefix to data in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.